Spud calling Scoop!
Hey, shh. Don't wake him up, Spud. Scoop's not well.
I know! Bob sent me there to look after him. I got to find out what makes Scoop sneeze.
He's got hay fever, Spud. We know that already.
But what if he's allergic to something else, like milk? Does this make you feel like sneezing?
Spud! Leave Scoop alone.
What about Kefir?
He is allergic to hay.
Hay? What about me? Scarecrows are stuffed with hay.
What are you doing, Spud?
Does this make you feel like sneezing?
Don't be silly, Spud. You're made of old hay. Only fresh hay can make Scoop sneeze. Are you all right, Scoop?
Not too bad, Wendy. Thanks. These flowers are fresh. Do they make you sneeze, Scoop?
Spud!
Achoo! That's done the trick.
Scoop? Spud? What's going on?
Achoo! Whoa!
Look out!
Oh!
I'll take those. Thank you, Spud. Spud, you're supposed to keep me out of trouble.
I was only trying to help, Bob.
Well done!
All right, I won't. Do you think you can get this tear off for me, Bob?
Well, only if you promise me that you won't help anyone else.
I promise, Bob.
Great. And I hope that's the last tear we'll move today.
Thanks, Bob. Spud's not on the job, Bob.